Today is Wednesday, June 24th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado barrel clock. This is a restored unit for my friend Chris out in Washington State in California. This is going along with his fully restored 1976 AM/FM Delco stereo radio, the speaker set, the original speaker set, and the limiter base power antenna. Okay, so the unit has been running for over an hour. And everything is working very smoothly and nicely. This is the original electric barrel clock from 1976 for the Cadillacs. Okay, and this and several other items will going out to my friend Chris. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is Eldorado, Georgia, Florida. I have over 75,000 Cadillac Eldorado parts from 1967 through 1978. 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including the AM/FM Delco stereo radios with Bluetooth augmentation, as well as the period-correct 10-ohm speakers, the limiter-based power antenna, and the electric clocks and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, June 24th. This is Eldorado George. Thank you very kindly.